So let's get started. You cook the garlic, I'll smash the tomatoes.
Love it.
So you're making a lot of sauce because you're having a whole family over, right?
This is typical of Sunday dinner.
Right,
So
yes.
there's not just 3 of us, sometimes there's 12, 15 of us here.
Yes, and do you make the same thing every Sunday?
I always start with the gravy.
Okay. It just breaks that splatter, that way it's not all over you.
Well,
These are the things you learn when you're in the kitchen forever.
I am in the kitchen forever.
Okay, so now you're going to add salt and pepper to that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get the salt. Where's the pepper?
Pepper's right here also? Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
So a
Probably.
couple tablespoons?
Yep.
Couple tablespoons of salt. Of
Leave
course,
it
salt.
alone.
Okay.
And then I like it spicy again.
Yeah, I do too.
You know,
Yeah.
like I said, I do the red pepper, but don't tell my husband because he doesn't know this.
All right. Do you put the red pepper in now?
No.
Okay.
I'm just going to let that.
All right. So this you cook down?
We're going to cook this.
Okay.
Let this simmer.
Yep.
Okay.
And this isn't going to take long. This is not a ragu sauce. This is
No.
a tomato sauce.
I mean, you can in a half hour you have what we call
Less
a
than that.
marinade.
Okay.
It's marinara.
Uh-huh.
But you know, my father, they always left off the vowel at the end, so it wasn't linguine. It was linguine with the
Okay.
the
A little
mussels.
dialect.
A very dialect.
dialect.
Yes.
All right. So we can let that go.
Yep.
We can let that go. And we
Let
can.
that
Yeah,
simmer.
all right.
So now the meatballs.
Yeah.
All right. So in here I have about 3 pounds of meat.
Okay.
And it's pork, veal, and beef.
Perfect. That's
All right.
exactly how I do it.
So
okay.
it's all already mixed up.
Yes.
I love the smell.
Okay, yeah.
So what I do is I'll go 2 to 3 eggs a pound.
A pound. So these are going to be very moist.
Absolutely.
And I think the trick to a really good meatball is the moisture. So, you know, my mother used to add a little water also because
did?
yeah, it made a very light tasting meatball, not heavy and not
Right.
real tight texture.
So I have 6, 7 large eggs in here.
Okay.
And I'm going to ask you when you're ready, put that in.
Yes, ma'am. There it goes.
Okay.
All the garlic. And you want parsley.
And I
Yeah.
want some parsley.
All right. And we're going to chop all this with the stems so that you get that full flavor in the sauce and in the meatballs.
I love it when you open up the meatballs and you can see the parsley in there. I
Yes.
think it's also pretty.
Yes.
Okay.
Italians have many ways of cooking these. Some people form them and put them directly into the sauce.
No.
Raw.
Right.
And let them cook like that. Others will form them, put them on a bake sheet, and put them in the oven and bake them at 350
Right.
until they're browned. And still others will fry them partially and then finish them off in the sauce.
And that's what I do.
Okay.
Is
All right.
we cook them up. So what we'll do. Okay.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, and so, you know, that's interesting, what she just did. Were you paying attention? Because that is not a round meatball.
No.
That's an oval
Right.
meatball, and
Right.
that's exactly the way they do them in Sicily. And they're somewhat a little bit flatter, too.
Yeah,
You know, they'll
they
do
do
that,
them-
and then they'll flatten them a little bit.
Right.
So that's an oval meatball. I saw that immediately.
Now, I
Love you, Renee.
I want
Okay.
to taste this.
Well, I'm not looking.
I'm just going to.
You heard it from me. I cook mine first. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure it's delicious.
Okay, but I need a little more.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put a little more cheese in.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Everybody loves cheese.
Yeah. So but when you did that, when you made the oval shape, I said, this woman knows what she's doing. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
It looks good.
You hear that?
I hear the sizzle, yes.
Can you hear
Okay.
the sizzle? So we'll put a few
Yeah.
of them in here.
And you want them to get a nice little brown
Yes.
crust on them.
So,
So this is smelling absolutely.
Isn't this great?
Yeah. Yes.
oh, it is.
It really is, yeah. We're not lying. Okay.
See, I love this because,
Yeah.
again, it brings me back,
Of course.
you know,
Yeah.
to
Sure does.
walking into that house
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
knowing that everybody was coming for Sunday dinner.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I can
All right.
watch these if you want to get the sauce going.
Okay.
All right, so,
So if you could do that,
I'll
I
turn
have
them
to-
when it's time.
I have to add my red pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, don't tell Danny.
I won't tell
We don't
Danny.
want to let him know we have too many
Yeah.
spices in here.
Yeah. You don't
Okay.
want them cooked through completely, right?
No.
All
But
right.
I'm going to take some of the parsley and I'm
Yeah.
going to throw this in.
Okay.
All right. I got a nice handful of.
Okay, that's
Okay.
delicious, delicious, Renee.
So now what I'm going to do
Yes.
is going to put the meatballs in.
Okay.
And they will finish cooking. And now
Yeah.
the gravy goes to a meat.
Yes.
Sauce.
Meat sauce now. Okay.
There you go.
Good. Now, how long are you going to let them cook?
Oh, I'll just leave them in there for.
20 minutes or so?
Oh,
Yeah.
I could just eat these just like that.
Yeah. But we have to save some for Sunday dinner.
I know. I know.